Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hello again everyone, I am back, and in today's video I want to show you guys how I style my shawl like this. I already have a tutorial on how I style my shawl like this, but I still get questions again and again on how I usually style my shawl. It's super easy and I think a lot of people wear their shawl like this as well. But what's different about this particular tutorial is that I'm also going to show you tips and tricks on how to make your face look slim by styling your hijab in this way. If you are like me and you have chubby cheeks, yes, I actually do have chubby cheeks. I got them from my dad. And I know some of you guys are like, Aisha, you don't have chubby cheeks. Well, that just means that you have been fooled by my hijab style. So let me show you guys how you can also achieve this nice slimming looking face, a V-shaped face, by styling your hijab like this. Let's get on it. So now you can see my full face. It's rounder than you might think. What I did first is that I had one side long and one side very short right here, and then I've pinned it to the back like that. Okay, covering my ears really nicely. Like over here, I like it to be a little bit pointed, so I'll make sure I pull back a little bit and have it like pointed like that. If you really want it to be like pointy but flat on your head, you can like pinch a part of your hijab over here, pull it back and take a pin. If you tie your hair, then you can pin it on your bun, or you can just, you know, pin it on your inner scarf. You get what I mean? And then after that, all you have to do is just take this long part and you want to pin it on top here, somewhere above your ear. So you can see I've pinned it here. It's good to go high because then we want to create that V shape. So now that I have it like that, I'm gonna bring this, cover my cheeks like that, and bring it on to the other side. So you can already see it is covering my cheeks really nicely. And you bring the rest of the shawl to the other side like that. Bring it around. What's most important is how you let this and this sit on your face. So the goal for you to look slim is that you want this triangle thing, the most exposed part of your face should be above your cheekbones. All right, so then your face will be like a inverted triangle shape. Especially when you wear a square scarf, your face tends to look like a triangle, so your cheeks may look chubbier than they are. So in this way, you see your cheeks over here is covered, your cheeks over here is covered, and then this one, it's up to you. My sister liked to really pull it to the back like that and wear it like that, but I personally like to bring it a little bit more in front. And then you want to cover this up. It's nice and neat like that. Take a pin and pin those layers together. And then if you want it to be even more secure, I usually also pin on this side. I pin this fabric to this fabric. Those two layers, then I just pin them together. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Another tip that I want to share with you guys is that over here, if you bring it back like here, you tend to have like a double chin, right? And so we don't want that. That's very unflattering, especially in pictures. No. What you can do is make sure it's like in front, like right below your chin, right there. But it just gives a really nice coverage. Talking about a V-shaped chin and hiding my double chin, I recently discovered this cool product from Clarins. It is the V-Shape Facial Lift Curvy V Face Contouring Serum. You know how Asian women, we have really puffy cheeks, and not many of us are blessed with like high cheekbones and naturally contoured face, right? So this was inspired by Asian women. It basically enhances your face contours and the V shape of your face. Yeah, I've been using this for like about over a week now, and I can already see the results, so I am so excited to share this with you guys. They also have a mask which gives like instant results. I've already tried it, but this is for a more long-term use. What I do is I pump 2 pumps on my hand. I rub the product together in the palms of my hands, and then I envelop my face like that, just resting my face on my hands. And then with the product on my hands, I start with the eyes and just do it like that, and then my forehead, and then my whole face. Just add a little bit of pressure to your face, and then my cheeks like that. So I have my index finger behind my ear, and then you clench and unclench your fist. Put it underneath of your chin right here. Every time I use this is the steps that I do that will help me to get better results on top of using this product right here. I'm definitely gonna continue using it, and you use it every day, morning and night, to get the excellent results. So far, I am loving the results that it has given me. If you want to try, you can go ahead and go to the Clarins boutique. Clarins are available at departmental stores, but they also have a flagship store at Mid Valley. You can get yourself a complimentary skin checkup and maybe get yourself some samples as well. So I highly encourage you to go and try it out for yourself, because it really does wonders for me, and I really can't wait to see the results that it can give me in the long term. Alright, so that's all the tips and tricks from me, a girl with chubby cheeks, and how to make your face look slim. Details on my shawl and the Clarins products will all be listed in the description box below, okay? So do check them out. I hope this has been helpful for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, as always, you can click on the subscribe button below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys on my next video, inshallah. Bye bye.